action. Let's walk here. So we just arrived in the Florida Hilton Key Largo. And everyone is in their beach outfit because we're checking out the beach. Anthony is attempting to walk with his new sandals, which he's finding really difficult. And this is like the wood chip. Yeah, so he's finding it a bit strange to be walking in this new hard-based sandal. But here we are. Anthony!
Anthony's just tried to catch a lizard.
Did he? And eat it?
You won't be able to
Yay!
catch. Pretty sure you won't.
Yeah. Are you walking, Anthony?
Oh, that's it. This way.
Wow.
So can we see his face?
Auntie, look at the camera. Auntie, look.
Look at Mummy.
Look, Auntie, look.
Oh, playing with the wood chip. Hopefully he won't eat it. He's trying to put everything in his mouth.
Auntie, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Hi! High five!
Auntie, look.
Anthony, look at Mummy.
High five! High five!
Whee!
Let's see. Let's look at this boy. No looking.